Good morning, traders. This is Joanne with Succeed in Forex. Welcome to our Forex market news broadcast for Thursday, March the 13th, 2008. Headlines out of Switzerland this morning read, record highs on euro, dollar-yen falls below 100. U.S. dollar dropped to a new low against the Japanese yen, falling to 99.77 early in trading. This was on further concerns that the U.S. economy is headed into a recession, despite what some experts are saying. The last time the dollar traded at this level against the yen was on November the 9th, 1995. Furthermore, the Carlyle Group has failed to reach an agreement on payment of overdue debt caused by the credit crunch, which led to margin calls. Several banks are forecasting that the dollar-yen will go to 95. Commodity funds and speculative buying are the main reasons for the surge in gold prices. As the dollar weakens, oil trades are at a record high, and the U.S. economy outlook is bleak, and investors have been turning to gold as a safe haven of choice. Up 19% in 2008, gold prices hit $9.91 in early trading. Resistance is seen around $9.95, and the key level is the psychological 1,000. Yesterday saw a concerted action by the major central banks to address the persistent problem in the financial markets. The U.S. Federal Reserve announced that it would inject in the bond market $200 billion, while the ECB and the Swiss National Bank decided to increase the size of currency swaps put in action in December. On first glance, it appears like the Fed is shifting away from traditional measures towards more specific remedies that are aimed at the problem. However, the two-year swap spreads only marginally narrowed, which shows that the measures were more a relief than a full-fledged cure. While the market recognizes the utility and pertinence of these measures, it also knows that this is not an overall cure. Moreover, the markets had to contend with ECB's Director Trichet's comments, stressing again that amid the present circumstances in the market, the euro's strength could be detrimental to growth prospects. Knowing Trichet's staunch stand on inflation, such repeated remarks confuse investors who are yet to gauge the relative importance of inflationary pressures against growth perspectives. Having said this, the dollar had another bad trading session, and the euro went to challenge record highs again. The euro rose in the Asian session to 155.25 and is currently trading around 155.80s. And it also challenged the yen at 158.65. The pound was also relatively feeble against the European currencies as it moved back to 76.61. The dollar's rally on Tuesday was almost completely wiped out, as many investors still expect the Fed to be tempted to act on interest rates in the near future, since the concerted action mentioned would be more and more viewed as palliative. This feeling was shared across the markets and continents and activated a sell-off in the markets late in the session. The reaction was also coupled by talk that Eastern fund managers were heavily selling the greenback, together with the announcement from Jordan that it was planning to reduce its portion of dollars in its reserves. The overall trend is still bearish for the moment. For how long is still a moot question. This concludes our news for today. We sincerely hope that this is helping you in your trading, and we would like to thank you for viewing. Before we sign off, we would like to invite you to visit our website at www.succeedinforex.com. There you'll find information about our Traders Training Center, where our motto is Traders Helping Traders Succeed in Forex. And also you'll find a link to our Yahoo forum, which is also called Succeed in Forex. Have a great trading day and make lots of pips. So until tomorrow, happy pipping.